Athenian Economy. An important part of life in any community is its economy. An economy is the way a community or region organizes the manufacture and exchange of money, food, products, and services. The Athenian economy was based on trade. The land around Athens did not provide enough food for all of the city's people. But Athens was near the sea, and it had a good harbor, so Athenians traded with other city-states and some foreign lands to get the food, the goods, and natural resources they needed. They acquired wood from Italy and grain from Egypt. In exchange, Athenians traded honey, olive oil, silver, and beautifully painted pottery. Athenians bought and sold goods at a huge marketplace called the Agora. There, merchants sold their goods from small stands. People bought lettuce, onions, olive oil, wine, and other foods. They could also buy household items like pottery, furniture, and clay oil lamps. Most Athenians made their cloths at home, but leather sandals and jewelry were popular items at the market. In addition, Athenians bought and sold slaves at the Agora. Like most city-states, Athens developed its own coins to make trade easier. Coins are made of such metals as gold, silver, and bronze. Athenians decorated the flat sides of their coins. One of their coins had an image of the goddess Athena on one side. The other side pictured Athena's favorite bird, the owl.